how do we edit our keywords in our ad group or in general?
We'll go to the campaigns. We'll select our campaign. We'll select the ad group that we want to choose. And we'll select the keyword that we want to edit. For example, if we want to edit this dentist keyword, we'll go over here. We'll edit like if you want to kids dentist. This is the keyword that you want to edit. Instead of dentist, you want to write kids dentist. You simply go over the keyword and you go over this edit sign. There's a pencil sign over here. You go over here. There is dentist over here, and you want to add kids dentist over here. You can even change the match type if you want. You can change exact match, phrase, and broad, and just save the keyword that you have selected. So the keyword will be edited from here. Just keep in mind one thing, that the keyword that you have edited, the previous data would be like excluded. Okay, it would be removed. Now you have a new keyword, so that it won't be an edited keyword. The data would be removed.